I am back with another skincare product which name is Peach and Lily. Copper Peptide Pro Firming Serum. Peach and Lily introduce a new serum. This is a blue color serum. Weightless, scentless, silky serum to visibly smooth fine lines, crow's feet, and deeply etched wrinkles. Ideal for those looking to prevent and visibly reverse the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Copper Peptide Pro Firming Serum is uniquely formulated to decelerate the appearance of wrinkle formation and promote visibly firmer and bouncier skin. This serum is the home of collagen and elastin producing. This serum hydrate and protect from free radical damage, support optimal matrix function. This serum is ideal to produce collagen and elastin. With regular usage, you can notice a visible improvement in skin firmness. Saw fine lines visibly smoothed. And visible improvement in skin's bounce. Notice smoother forehead lines. Noticed a visible improvement in skin texture. And noticed skin appeared more youthful. Let's talk about star or key ingredients. It contains potent 0.2% copper peptide, naturally blue in hue, prevents and reverses the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Contains 12 additional high-performing peptides, penetrate deep into skin to boost firming and smoothing benefits. It contains 4 powerhouse amino acids, the essential building blocks of collagen and elastin, amplify peptide results and help skin retain moisture. Its hyaluronic acid and squalane deeply hydrate and maximize skin's elasticity. Time-tested Korean root extracts, chicory root and shiitake mushroom calm skin and visibly protect against environmental stressors. Which skin type can use this serum? Dry skin, normal skin, oily skin. Combination skin can use this serum. The best part of this serum is that it is cruelty-free. How to use. Apply to skin after cleansing and toning. Apply before or after glass skin refining serum for enhanced results. Follow with a moisturizer like Peptide Pro Firming Moisturizer. Thanks for watching.